trouble sleeping. You're jumping in my bed, twisting in my head. Leave me. I'm having trouble breathing. You're sitting on my chest. I sure could use the rest.
Hola, Toni! Hòstia, fa molt temps que ets aquí?
Sí, t'estava esperant, tio.
Hòstia, quina sort! Quina sort que tenim,
Havíem
hòstia.
quedat a les 8 aquí.
No em passava pas trobar-te.
Mira, ja m'anava,
Never did to let my feelings free. Was it always you and never me? Never cared too much but honesty. I'm having trouble sleeping. I'm thinking of what you said about the tears been shed. Leave me. It's you. Was it always you and never me? I've never dared to let my feelings free. Was it always you and never me? Never cared too much but honesty.
Ionesa, què fa?
Les
Va. Doncs les escales.
cases que deia jo.
It's you, now and always you, but never me. Never dared to let my feelings free. Was it always you?
Hosti, Toni també arriba més abans que jo.
Sí, ens trobem a totes les coses.
Hòstia puta, tio.
Com és possible?
Hòstia.
Per què no anem junts a partir d'ara?
Sí, puta.
Passem, eh?
Què fots aquí? Ai!
Molt bé, i tu què?
També, ja ho veus, mira.
Bueno,
Tens nosso.
hombre! Lluís, què tal?
Cremant torrons amb en Lluís. Ens hem perdut.